I was informed that the night before ni hiringgilya, ni injection, o ano yung English? Syringe. Panusok. Wala tayo. Good thing that our OIC Director Padilla and our OIC, masayang-masaya ako, siya ang OIC ng Manila Health Department. Sa Manila Health Department, wala na mga api sa inyo. Wala na sisigaw-sigaw sa inyo. Hindi na rin kakabahan. Yung ibang individual dyan. Dahil lamang sa kagustuhan ng ilang individual na pagnasahan ang kaban ng bayan, na sakripisyo ng ating mga kababayan. But those are the things of the past. This week, despite of that amount, or what you call commercial obligation to our suppliers who pulled out already last September, but nobody told you. Who pulled out already last February, but nobody told you. Because they cannot take such recurrence of obligation, unfulfilled obligation of our city. Now, isang may babaon ninyo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. This week, we will move heaven and earth. We will acquire medicine with money or nothing. We will do our best to the people of Manila, to the doctors who are serving there, to the nurses, our BHW. We will find ways. We will find a way this week, and I will update you. Loobin nawa ng Diyos, makakita pa ako ng bimpong basa nang mapiga ko naman. At sisiguraduhin natin maibalik ang gamot sa 6 na ospital at 40 mahigit na health center sa lungsod ng Maynila.